Let's see how much of it he eats or stuffs away. Put the white rag there so you can better see it in the video, but I don't know how it's gonna work.
I want to see it.
It's like, go, go, go.
It might not be. He might actually just be eating it right now.
I don't know. Well, we'll have to let him eat some of it first and then see. Well, no, he's stuffing it. I can see his little cheek pudging out a little bit. Eat, eat, stuff your face. You can see his little cheeks pudging out. Oh my goodness! Go, 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 go! You can see his little cheeks puffing out. Oh, this is broccoli. Like rum, 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 rum. My goodness, you're going to explode. Go, go, go. You got a whole nother cheek.
He only stuffed one side?
I know he only stuffed one side. Well, he kind of stuffed the other one.
He was disinterested now.
Are you sure you don't want no more? Oh, oh, there it goes.
Yep, he seems disinterested.
I think he might be done. You don't want no more? You want to go back in the cage now to hide all your broccoli? Say bye, YouTube.
Alright. Jesus Christ, his ball.